Getting a mirror-like epoxy finish on wood or stone is all about managing the surface. If you see bubbles rising after your pour, it usually means the material is releasing air. You can prevent this completely with one simple step. Porous materials like wood, canvas and concrete are full of tiny air pockets. When warm epoxy hits these surfaces, the air inside naturally expands. It moves upwards and gets trapped in your fresh flood coat. This is why bubbles often appear from the bottom of your project. Surface cleanliness is just as important for a smooth bond. Dust, oils and fingerprints can interfere with how the resin levels. Even a tiny amount of residue can create a crater or an air pocket in high viscosity resin. The professional fix is a proper seal coat. Apply a very thin layer of resin and press it into the grain with a spreader or a gloved hand. This process seals the pores and locks the air deep inside the material. Let this layer become tacky before you pour your main flood coat. This creates a stable foundation for a crystal clear finish. Always finish your prep by wiping the surface with a proper solvent. Once it's dry, avoid touching the area with bare hands. Keeping the surface free of skin oils ensures the resin bonds perfectly across the entire piece. Seal your surface, clean it well and let the seal coat get tacky. This preparation is the best way to guarantee a bubble-free result on every project. If you want to improve your clarity on wood or stone, give this method a try. Share this with a maker who is starting their first big table project and tell me in the comments which surfaces are you currently working with.